The government of the state of Veracruz presents Veracruz Reef Zone, National Marine Park. The interdependent metropolitan areas, a continuous network of the municipalities of Veracruz, Boca del Rio, and Alvarado. A place with great history, culture, and beauty. And now, with great economic development. The government of Fidel Herrera Beltran has, as one of its principal policies, provided an impulse for tourism. Veracruz is the state most visited by Mexicans. And it is in these three municipalities where you will find one of the most beautiful places in the entire Gulf of Mexico. The National Marine Park, its official name, and well known as the Veracruz Reef Zone, is a protected area by request of citizens of the state of Veracruz and owing to their concern for the environment. It is formed by 17 shallows, islands, and reefs, and divided into two geographically separate zones. The first is opposite the port of Veracruz and includes the reefs Gallega, Galleguilla, Anegada de Adentro, La Blanquilla, and Pájaros, among others. The place most visited in the entire marine park is what is known as Cancuncito, Little Cancun, an island surrounded with white sands and shallow water that invites you to spend an unforgettable time in its warm waters that remind one of the Mexican Caribbean. It has two large neighboring islands. The Isla Verde, Green Island. Its name says it all. Within its sheltering coral reef, a small lagoon is formed, surrounded with exuberant marine vegetation. And it is close to the historical and legendary Sacrifice Island, thus named by the Spanish explorer Juan de Grijalva in the year 1518, upon having found the remains of indigenous human sacrifices on it. The other area of the marine park is located 20 kilometers to the southwest, opposite the town of Anton Lizardo, where there are 11 more reefs, with those which particularly stand out being the Quiote, Polo, and the Riso, which offer an invitation to dive or snorkel them and discover a wide variety of coral and marine life. There are also the larger islands of Salmadina, a paradise, which offers a perfect setting for all kinds of aquatic sports within the security of shallow waters, which make for a beautiful sight. And also Santiaguillo, which lies furthest from the coast and where beyond the continental shelf begins. It is here, on its reef, where you can find a large quantity of parrotfish. The En Medio Island is without a doubt a spectacular place. It is a popular site for visitors who have rented a boat in Anton Lizardo and is visited frequently by those setting out from the Veracruz Yacht Club and other marinas along the shores of the Estero in Alvarado. As part of our cultural heritage, and with the support of the governor, Fidel Herrera Beltran, the Chalchi Foundation was able to place a submerged replica of Chalchictlicue the goddess of the sea in the Olmecan culture, and considered as the protector of seafarers. It was placed between Enmedio Island and the island of Salmedina. Today, the goddess Chalchiclicue is a site well visited by tourists and is less than 4 meters deep. In this marine park, there are 1,144 species of marine life to be found under the sea. All kinds of fish can be seen, as well as a wide variety of coral and all types of marine life. Most divers focus their attention on the elkhorn and the brain coral of varying sizes. In the summer, it is very common for dolphins to swim close to any type of vessel. There is the bottlenose dolphin, which is the most observed in the marine park, and which is characterized by its intelligence. Villagers call it tonina. And it is possible to see these dolphins in groups of 5 or more. Near these islands, there are also 5 of the 7 species of tortoises that exist in the whole world. However, the only one that arrives to deposit its eggs is the carré tortoise. It prefers warm tropical waters. It is a tortoise of medium size, the largest measuring less than a meter in size. At adult age, they are the most attractively colored marine tortoises. For some years now, the authorities of Veracruz and the aquarium staff have been protecting, studying, and monitoring them. Without a doubt, another one of the big attractions of the park is wreck diving sunken ships and those which have run aground. An example is the gunboat C-50 Riva Palacio that was purposely sunk as a permanent fixture of the marine park. The Veracruz Reef Zone is only a part of the rich natural wealth of the state, offering sports such as scuba diving, snorkeling, jet skiing, and ocean kayaking. Veracruz and its coasts are for you invaluable wealth. Respect them, take care of them, and enjoy them. The Veracruz Reef Zone, National Marine Park. A presentation of the State Government of Veracruz.